Hello dear students, let's start EVS 1, lesson number 12, our need for food. Look at these three pictures. What you can see? This girl is sick, means she is not feeling well. She had illness. During her illness, she became weak. After few days, she become again fit and fine. What helped her to recover? Do you know? Let's see next picture. What you can see? Baby is there. Growing baby. What make this baby gain his health and weight? Let's see. Let's say first point. Why do we feel hungry? Hungry means lack of food in our stomach. Our body must function properly. Function properly means every work should go smoothly or properly. That's why we need food. Food helps our body to grow. It helps to repair the wear and tear of our body. Wear and tear means damage. Means food helps to repair our internal damage. It also gives us the strength we need to work. Strength means being strong. Means food also make us strong for our need to work. If we don't get enough food, what will happen? We will feel tired. Vigor is lost. Vigor means physical strength or our health will lost. We feel very weak. At such time we feel very hungry. Just remember, when you play a long time and after you come at home, what will happen? You will feel hungry. And at that time, if you will eat a little food, what will happen? You will feel better. When we work a lot, our body feels fatigue. Fatigue means our body feels tired. It makes us very hungry. Like us, all living things means birds, animals, trees, they also need food. All living things need food, but they do not eat same kind of food. Let's see what kind of food they eat. Cattle eat grass and hay, and also oil cake and ambon. Oil cake and ambon's definition you will find here. And horse eat Bengal, gram means harbara. Goat and sheep eat leaves and shrub. Shrub means small plants and also grass. Cats love to drink milk and also like to eat mice. And they also hunt small birds. For example, sparrow, doves and pigeons. Dogs eat chapatis and bhakris. And also they like to eat meat. Peoples those keep dogs, cats, they give them meat and fish also. Take a look at forest animals. Forest means those animal lives in jungle. Deer, bisons, nilgai, this kind of animal eat green grasses and leaves. Also, they eat crops. Wild animals like tiger and lion, they live in deep jungles and they hunt other animals and eat their flesh. As you can see in this picture, tiger is hunting deer. This kind of animals means tiger and lion. They do not come where humans live. But sometimes when they are starved. Starve means suffer from hunger or die from hunger, means when they do not get any food, they enter nearby villages, and what they do? They kill cattle and carry away with them. Many times foxes dare to enter human settlements. Fox enter where humans live, but they are not as strong as tiger, means tiger is stronger than fox. They cannot kill cattle. Mostly fox eat fowl. Fowl means hen, cock, this kind of domestic animals. Let's see about birds. What they like to eat? They like to eat grain, which grows in fields. They can easily destroy the crop. Let's see other birds what they eat. They eat other kinds of food. For example, hens eat worms. Crows eat flesh of dead animals, and some birds eat fruits. Let's say about small animals what they eat. Bedbugs suck people's blood. Ticks suck bloods of cows and buffaloes. House lizards and chameleons eat insects, means those who have 6 legs are called insects. Caterpillars and some insects nibble or eat leaves, as you can see in this picture. Butterflies feed upon the nectar. Here you can see. Animals eat the food. Which food? Which they find in nature. For food they wander. Wander means moving one place to another place to search of food. Let's see the food of plants. Plants also need food, but they cannot move from one place to another place for food. Then how they can get food? Take a look at this picture. The roots of plants absorb water here from the soil. Okay, this is soil. Some substance from soil are dissolved in water. This water reaches the leaves of plants. In the leaf there are many tiny pores. Pores means small holes that we cannot see through our eyes. Air enters the leaves through these pores. Those air and water comes together in the leaf. In the presence of sunlight, plants make their own food using the water, air in the leaves. With the help of sunlight, plants prepare their own food. Hope you can understood our lesson. Thank you.